Day 4 of starting a pressure washing business. We got a window cleaning job, and all the windows were really moldy. He said he needed a window cleaning job really bad, and he would pay good. The sliding door was a big amount to clean. First window had some mold, but it wasn't the worst. The second window had a lot of mold, and it was really hard to clean. It took us about an hour. We had to scrub the windows to get the mold off.
Is it on? Oh no. Sorry, I turned it off because I had to put the water. Okay. What happened? I don't know.
We then washed the screens. Then got started on the windows. We added soap, then rinsed it off. We finished off with the sliding door. We finished in around for hours and got paid for $150. Day 4 finished like and follow for day 5.